morning, guys. Today we are in Kerala, Trivandrum, and Richest is now ready and just trying his hands out on this washing this car since he got a pipe. Jigar and Nilesh are washing their car, and Drish alone is managing to wash this huge 700. So in next some time we'll leave for the Padmanabhaswamy Mandir. Once done, we'll move towards Jatayu Earth Center. So now Jigar is helping Drish to wash the car. And there's our ginger tea. Just getting ready, and then once everyone's ready, car is washed, we have had our tea, and then we'll leave for Padmanabhaswamy Mandir. There might be some rush or queue we'll have to manage, and then from there we'll go towards Jatayu Earth Center, which is a very nice place to take pictures. Drish and Jigar are done with washing the car. Both the cars look amazing now.
So now we are taking a car out. So एक कार तो वहाँ पे निकल गई है. So now it's difficult to remove both the cars because see you don't have a lot of space. तो हम इसको ऐसे निकाल रहे हैं. So now the car can go out. So done, we have removed the car now. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and to press the bell icon to get notified on each video we post.
So now we are reaching at the world's richest temple. So here we are all ready. Everyone is either in lungi or sari or skirt blouse. Now this is the entrance of the temple from the south side.
And that's our pizza from Dominos, which we have been wanting to eat since long, after having South Indian food for almost 8 to 10 days.
We're going towards Jatayu Earth Center.
So we are here at Jatayu's Earth Center. So here we pay the entry fee and then park our car. We've reached Jatayu's Earth Center. It's right there behind me. Sorry. So we'll go using a cable car towards the bird. Water bottles are not allowed over here. Any water bottle, plastic, metal, whatever it is, nothing is allowed. So don't carry water bottles inside, they'll tell you to keep it again. Cable car ride is actually 250 and entry ticket is 200. So we actually want cable car, so we'll pay 250 rupees. Basically we'll have to pay 450 rupees entry ticket plus cable car ride because we don't want to walk. So अगर हम walk करते तो 200 रहता and अभी हम cable car रह रहे, so it's 450. Entry point is straight. We got our tickets 450 per person. So अभी हम लोग वो लेके हम जा रहे हैं towards the statue. After the security check, we are here. So after the tickets, now we'll go towards the Udaan Katola. So this actually gives us a feeling of this airport vibes where all the tickets are being checked and then you. So all of these places like in Hare, Gujarat, Odisha, Kerala, this one brand makes all of the cable cars in all of these areas. Okay, so here we come in. We'll have to wait for our Udaan Katola. Till then we'll, sit. So they even have a TV over here. Coffee ke liye I have. Everyone wants coffee. So everyone is taking coffee. So this is the menu. Here our coffee is being,
nine people.
made.
Trish is having watermelon juice. Rest we all had coffee.
Cable car आई. Like from that round thing. Cable car round लेकर आएगी इधर and we have to go inside. We have to go inside then, inside the cable car. So now comes this, our cable car. So this won't stop. This will keep working and we'll just have to sit when it's working. So now we are going up. From there, we came over here up, and if you can see, I can even see a car over here from here. Now, yeah, there are 826 steps for people who wanna climb, but I guess no one's gonna climb. So now we can actually see the Jatayu.
એનો ભત્રીજો ભાણિયો કાકાનો છોકરો ભાણિયો ભત્રીજો હતો તો અહીંયા જ પડ્યો હતો
અહીંયા રામના પગમાં સિમેન્ટ એવી રીતે જ બનાવજો પડેલું
જેમ પડ્યો તો ને એમ પડ્યો તો ને પછી રામ આયા ને તેમને કીધું તમે સીતાને લઈને અહીંયા આવશો ને જ્યારે પાછા ત્યારે જ હું મારો પ્રાણ ત્યાગી છે
એટલે એની રિયલ સ્ટોરી
So you
પછી
actually
રામનું
see
પગલું એટલે છે કે સીતાને લઈને મળવા આયા
ભગવાનનું પગલું
અને રામ ભગવાને જ આમનો અંતિમ સંસ્કાર
કેરલામાં થયું
हम थोड़ी देर खड़े होके जाएंगे, कुछ ज़्यादा ही बारिश हो रही है. Little heavy. I don't know how to describe this, but we'll go see Ram Mandir. I think that's the Ram Mandir. So we'll go there. So now let's go inside the Ram Mandir. So now you have to keep your footwear here somewhere. There. Footwear stand में तो footwear रखेंगे. So here we come. Yeah, this is nice, bro. There are a lot of monkeys here. I better keep the camera off. So inside या कहीं तो photography is not allowed. So I take it from better here. There are some monkeys. भाई वहाँ से सीधा कूद गया नीचे. अजीब ही monkey है, अजीब ही बंदर है. Those two monkeys are fighting like something. Wow, the view from here. Awesome, bro. Oh, wow.
So now this is the place where footprint of Lord Sri Ram is being imprinted. So let's go and see. So here it is.
So type you will see many pattar where you can read the history and everything. वहाँ बहुत सारी जगह. According to the story of Ramayana, Jatayu tried to help Sita, and therefore this sculpture is made to honor, and it is dedicated to women's safety, and it is made to honor Jatayu. So we are done with the whole statue. Now we will exit. अभी हम पीछे से उठ के आ चुके हैं. Now we are moving towards the क्या था हाँ सॉरी हम केबल कार की तरफ जा रहे हैं. And then we go back. Now we plan to visit a beach. Now we are done with our Jatayu tour.
Center tour.
हाँ. So now we'll go to Kovalam beach. So we actually parked our car right here, and we are going towards the beach. I don't know the name of the beach. Like I'll have to find out. So we are going towards the beach. I actually like the weather behind me. Wow, it looks amazing. Now we go towards the beach. All of them are walking there, and we are standing over there near the water, the breeze and stuff. Daddy Dada walking towards them, and just look at this. It looks beautiful, and behind me the weather is so good. So now let's go. The sky actually looks like OMG. मतलब ऐसा भी आपको कभी-कभी देखने मिलता है. You don't get to see views like this every day, okay? Crabs. Like you even see crabs over here. The water, the sky, the sand gives me this Maldives feeling. OMG. So here all are doing photography, and Rich is eating some kurkures.
So here we are at the beach. So for today's quota of traveling, sightseeing and everything is over. This was the last sightseeing for today, and we are returning back to our homestay.
ऐसे तैसे करके we found only one restaurant in the whole Kerala which actually serves you proper North Indian food, because इतने दिन we ate South Indian roti, idli and stuff. Now we want roti sabji. So we are here at Apna Punjabi Dhaba to have some North Indian food, and that's the menu.